TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory, folks. We got weekly initial jobless claims earlier at 8:30. That number coming in pretty close to in line, 700,000 plus people filing an initial jobless claims at 8:30. The market shakes it off. We're up 18 points, all but expected. The expectation for that initial weekly jobless claim was just above 800,000. We check out the S&Ps. We're up 18 points right now at 3759. NASDAQ futures, NASDAQ 100 up 95 points, 12,712. You get the Dow up almost 100, 30,819 with it about 200 points of 31,000 in the Dow. And we got the Russell up 7 points as well at 2,066. Crude contract basically flat at 50.64, had been as high as 51.28 overnight in crude. Got to check in on Bitcoin, folks. 40,000 is the watch in Bitcoin. We were within about $100 of 39,000 overnight. Just a remarkable run for Bitcoin. Gold contract is up $5 right now at 19.13. We got silver up 10 cents at 27.14. You jump to notes and bonds. A little bit of lower price, higher yield as the trend continues. We're looking at a yield right now of the 10-year of almost 1.07%. Staggering number when you think about where we were, folks. But look at this drop off in the 10-year from 138.05. We're trading right now at 137. We're down 6 ticks on the extension of yesterday's decline, and the 30-year continuing as well. Right down at lows we had overnight. You get the 30-year off 19 ticks at 169.04. We'll jump over to the volatility index. Yesterday, spiking with the unfortunate events happening with President Trump and his supporters storming the Capitol in Washington. Sad day in the nation's history, folks. Sad day in many ways, unfortunately. The VIX spiking up to almost 27, pairing a lot of those gains as normalcy in some form returns, at least for this morning so far, 23.14 so far on that VIX. And guess what, folks? I talked about it in the program. It's earnings season. We're here in a big way. You already got Bed Bath & Beyond. Talk about some woes missing on their earnings. We're down about $3. That's going to be about 15%. We're only back to where we were trading on Tuesday, which is remarkable on that equity, but not the numbers they were looking for. On the flip side, you got Constellation, the spirit maker, brand maker, Modelo, I believe it is. They got Corona. They got a $2 billion repurchase program along with beating on the top and bottom line. Constellation up to 230 so far this morning. And we'll finish it up with Tesla. All-time highs for Tesla. What's new there? Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Larry Pesavento. He's coming up right now. We'll be right back.